can't deny it, you got the hard truth. All my cheating, girl, been exposed while trying to make love right under your nose. Whatever you do to me now, I can understand. I just got to stand back and take it like a man. You call me girl with my drawers off. There ain't nothing I can do. Oh, you call me girl with my drawers off. Me and her both was in the news. So to get along, I knew you were suspicious, but I kept on cheating, thinking you would never catch it. This time I went too far, action got in the way. So have some mercy, girl, that's all I can say. What would be my fate? Only you can decide. Cause it's all in the open and nothing left to hide. Ain't no need of me trying to lie to you, girl, cause you already seen the naked truth. You caught me, girl.